Hello, this is Tim Bryce with the National Weather Service here in El Paso. This is a special web briefing giving you an update on the winter weather that we've been experiencing across the area. This presentation was recorded on January 2nd at about 2 p.m. All right, good news. The storm system slowed down that we were expecting, and that means we didn't get any snow in the El Paso, Las Cruces area during the morning rush hour. The bad news is the storm slowed down, and instead of dropping snow on El Paso and Las Cruces, it dropped 3 to 5 inches of snow on Silver City and Truth the Consequences, and over an inch of snow on Lordsburg and Deming, really impacting the roads over there. And the other bit of bad news is that El Paso and Las Cruces and points to our east could still see snow later tonight. Currently, we've got a lot of warnings and advisories that are out. Basically, these are storm totals, so we are still expecting for the El Paso and Las Cruces area later tonight 1 to 3 inches of snow until midnight. We're still expecting a storm total of 4 to 8 inches of snow in the Sacramento Mountains until midnight. For Sierra and Grant County, a total of 4 to 7 inches in the higher terrain and a total of 2 to 4 inches in the lowlands around Truth the Consequences through 9 p.m. And then in the Boot Heel and Luna County, a total of 1 to 3 inches through 6 p.m. So as you can see, we're wrapping things up from the west to the east, but very slowly, as I'll talk about more as we go along here. Impacts this afternoon, we've already seen dangerous driving conditions in Grant, Sierra, and Hidalgo counties. And we've had some slippery conditions in Luna County. I believe Emery Pass between Grant and Sierra County is closed. So basically between the Kingston to San Lorenzo is closed right now. Tonight we're expecting wintry precipitation to continue and then spread south and east. So we're expecting dangerous driving conditions to continue in Grant, Sierra, and Hidalgo counties, and slippery and icy conditions to develop in Doña Ana, Otero, El Paso, and Hudspeth counties. Also, you can always expect the icy patches to continue to develop on those lowland highways and bridges and those overpasses. So what's been happening this morning? Basically, the upper low that was over Arizona yesterday, it's still just barely over Arizona. It's over the eastern part of Arizona. You can see it has a band of clouds spread out across most of Sierra, Grant, Hidalgo, and Luna counties, and there the temperatures just haven't gotten very warm, so they will continue to see snow off and on during the day. Where you see the clearer banding area over Otero and El Paso and Doña Ana County, we've actually warmed up well above freezing, and it's going to take time to cool us back down. But that big low is going to come right across El Paso, Las Cruces area, and that's going to cool us down, and that's going to help to give us first some rain, and then once we get cool enough, some snow later this evening. Here's the current radar. You can see a band of not thunderstorms, but a band of what's probably ice pellets or sleet approaching Las Cruces. And this was, like I said, this was a little before 2 o'clock when I recorded this. But the main point to take from this is that this upper level low that's causing this is going to slowly rotate across southern New Mexico and far west Texas as we go through the rest of the afternoon into the evening hours. Here are some snow results that we saw out west. Like I was saying, upwards of 5 inches of snow in White Signal around Silver City, Poverty Creek in the northwest corner of Sierra County, Tier C's over 3 inches, and Luna County around Deming got a trace to 1 inch. This is what it looked like around Lordsburg at 11 a.m. this morning. There are difficult driving conditions around Silver City, Lordsburg, Truth the Consequences. It's slippery around Deming. There's no impact so far in El Paso County, but Hudspeth County did have some snow-packed roads along I-10 east of Sierra Blanca and 1111 between basically Del City and Sierra Blanca. If you need more road information, you can look it up there at nmroads.com or www.drivetexas.org. Again, what's going to happen this afternoon through tonight, we're going to see the upper low move into southern New Mexico. Out ahead of it, we're going to see the snow where it's cold enough and a mix of freezing precipitation. Could be snow, could be rain, could be ice pellets, and that will include Las Cruces and El Paso. So I do expect rush hour. We could see some precipitation going on. I don't think it's going to be white. I think it's going to hold off. The snow's going to hold off until later this evening. Even by 2 a.m., we could still be seeing some impacts from the upper level storm system in the Sacramento Mountains. Uncertainties will be timing of the transition to snow in the El Paso and Las Cruces corridor. We'll just have to wait and see how the temperatures react as we get further into the evening. Will convective cells develop? We have been seeing some convection, and that's what's been giving us the ice pellets. That can really quickly change things over to snow. It can drop a lot of snow. It can also drop a lot of ice pellets. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. Also, with the banding nature of these storms, some people are going to get some decent snow, and some people aren't going to get anything at all. So we're going to have a wide range of snow totals. And then the moisture and the snow, how long it'll take them to leave. And it looks like it's going to, like I said, it's going to work its way west to east, and the Sacramento Mountains will be the last one to see snow late this evening or even early tomorrow morning. So again, if you have any questions, you can keep track of the storm system on Facebook via our Twitter account or on YouTube, or as always, you can see the latest warnings and advisories on our webpage. Thank you for joining us, and have a good day.